Okay, very good afternoon, my dear friends. This is our eminent resource person, Dr.P.Manjula Madam Garu. Hearty welcome. Please start the session.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, is it visible screen? So today we will discuss about the types of vascular bundle. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir,
Proceed, madam. It's visible.
thank you, sir. So good afternoon, Mananda. So today's topic is types of vascular bundles. So this is also important. So already we discussed about these vascular bundles and also the vascular system. Okay, so vascular bundles generally they are the components of vascular tissue system. So vascular bundles means that is xylem and phloem constitute these vascular bundles. So another name for these vascular bundles is the fascicle. Okay, so the main function of these vascular bundles are that is the transport of water and nutrients. Okay, it is a part of transport system in the plants. So it is the one of the primary tissue system in the plant. So we already discussed about three types of tissue system, that is epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, and vascular tissue system. Okay, so it is also a complex tissue system, that is again the classification of tissues, that is simple tissues, complex tissues, and complex simple tissues, simple permanent tissues, and complex tissues. So this is xylem and phloem which constitute these complex tissues. So the main function of these vascular bundles is conduction of water and nutrients. So vascular bundles, which consist of two main parts, that is xylem and phloem. So xylem, it is the, so here these two, xylem and phloem, the function is different. That is the main function of xylem is conduction of water from the roots to the all aerial parts of the plant. Whereas the phloem, it is the main function, that is the conduction of food materials from the, so generally food materials, they are synthesized in the leaf. So from the leaf to the all parts of the plant. So this is the main function of phloem is conduction of food materials, and main function of the xylem is conduction of water from the roots to all parts of the plant. So this xylem and phloem, these are the complex tissues. And we already discussed about these components of xylem. That is the main components of xylem are tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. And what are the components of phloem means? Sieve cells, sieve tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. So these vascular bundles generally originated from what you call the elements of xylem and phloem are always organized in groups called as the vascular bundles. So procambium, that is the vascular bundle, these are originated from the procambium. Okay, so here this point is important, different types of vascular bundles. So generally vascular bundles are classified based on many criteria into different types. Okay, so first one is based on the presence of cambium. It is classified into two types, that is the open vascular bundles and closed vascular bundle. So generally in between the xylem and phloem, if the cambium is present, so it is called as open type of vascular bundle. If the cambium is absent, it is called as a closed type. So if the cambium is present, it mainly helps in the secondary growth. So another criteria that is based on the arrangement. Okay, so how this xylem and phloem is arranged. So based on this radial and conjoint, and based on the arrangement of individual vascular bundles, components, that is collateral, bicollateral, and concentric. So we will discuss one by one. So first one is the vascular bundle. So the different types of vascular bundles, that is the open vascular bundles, closed vascular bundles, radial, conjoint, again in the conjoint, collateral, bicollateral, and concentric. So again in the concentric, amphicribal and amphivasal. So these are the different types of vascular bundles. So first one is the open and closed type of vascular bundles. Okay. So these are the different types of vascular bundles. So based on their arrangement are based on the presence of cambium. Okay. So first criteria, that is the presence of cambium. Okay. That is open vascular bundles and closed vascular bundles. So a classification of vascular bundle based on the presence of cambium. If the cambium means it is a meristematic tissue which is responsible for the secondary growth. Okay. So cambium, it is nothing but it is a meristematic tissue which is present in the in the vascular bundles region. Okay, and mainly helps in production of secondary growth, that is the production of secondary xylem and secondary phloem. So during the secondary growth. Okay, so first one is the open vascular bundle. So open vascular bundles means here the cambium which is present between the xylem and phloem. Okay, so when we observe this structure, so here the xylem. So here this one, here the cambium is present, a small strip of cambium is present in between the xylem and phloem. So it is called as the open vascular bundle. So it mainly helps in the secondary growth. So if the cambium is present, so it helps in the secondary growth. So this open vascular bundle, it helps in the secondary growth, and it is a characteristic of the dicotyledons. So generally these open type of vascular bundles, they are seen in dicots. So cambium is present between the xylem and phloem. It is also known as another name for this cambium is the vascular cambium, because it is present in between the vascular bundles. Okay, vascular cambium. So next one is a closed vascular bundle. So here the cambium is absent within the vascular bundle. So here the xylem is present and phloem, but here the cambium, the small cambium strip is absent. That is a meristematic tissue is absent. So if this cambium is absent, so here secondary growth is absent, and it is the characteristic of monocotyledons. So generally closed type of vascular bundles are seen in monocots. And closed, so generally here secondary growth is absent. That is vascular. So another name, that is a vascular cambium is absent. So another one is based on the arrangement of these vascular bundles components. So again, it is to radial vascular bundle. So radial means, so here the xylem and phloem, they are arranged separately. So here, this one is the yellow color one. This is the xylem and here the phloem. So they are arranged separately. Okay, and different radius. So it is called as the radial vascular bundle. That is alternately. So xylem followed by phloem, again xylem. It is followed by phloem, like that. So it is called as a radial vascular bundle. So arranged alternately in different radius, and radial vascular bundles, they are generally, these are seen in the roads. Okay, so radial vascular bundles, that is, they are arranged alternately. That is xylem followed by phloem, again xylem. So they are arranged in different radius. Okay, this is called as a radial vascular bundle. So it is the commonly found in roots. So next one is the conjoint vascular bundles. So here conjoint vascular bundles means xylem and phloem are arranged together. So they are present in same bundle. So xylem and phloem in the same radius. Okay. So conjoint vascular bundles generally found in stem and leaves. So again, this conjoint vascular bundles again classified into three types: collateral, bicollateral, and concentric. So first, so here in the same radius, that is xylem, which is followed by the phloem. So it is called as a collateral vascular bundle. So it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle, and here the phloem is located only outside the xylem. So xylem is present towards inside and phloem towards outside the xylem. Okay. So xylem towards the interior and phloem towards the exterior. So it is the most common type, that is collateral vascular bundles. It is the common type of vascular bundles. And it may be open or closed. So here the collateral vascular bundle, it may contain the cambium, or it may be cambium may be absent. Okay. So if the collateral vascular bundles with cambium, it is called as a open. Whereas if the cambium is absent in this collateral vascular bundles, it is closed. Okay, closed type. So another one is a bicollateral vascular bundle. So this is the special character. Generally, it is seen in the cucurbitaceae members. Okay, so this is the frequently asked question. Bicollateral vascular bundles are seen in, that is cucurbitaceae members. So it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So here the phloem is present in two groups. Okay, so one outside the xylem and other inside the xylem. So that is xylem is present in the center, and either side of this xylem, here the phloem is present. So one outside the xylem and other inside the xylem. So xylem in the middle, phloem on both sides. So here the xylem is present in the center, and either side of the xylem, phloem is present. So it is called as a bicollateral vascular bundle. So this bicollateral vascular bundles are important. So it is a characteristic of some angiosperms, mainly the members of cucurbitaceae. Okay, and bicollateral vascular bundles, they are always open. That is, open means here the cambium is present. So next one is a concentric vascular bundle. So another name is concentric. That is, it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So here one vascular bundle completely surrounds the other. Okay, that is one vascular bundle is present center and it is completely surrounds. So the main difference between concentric and bicollateral is it is not completely surrounding. So on either side of the xylem, here the phloem is present. It is bicollateral, but here in concentric, so totally one vascular bundle, it is completely covered with other vascular bundle element. That is, the xylem completely surrounds the phloem, or phloem completely surrounds the xylem. So it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So one vascular bundle element completely surrounds the other. So either phloem surrounds the xylem or xylem surrounds the phloem. So based on this, again, it is two types. That is amphicribal and ampivasal. So first one is the amphicribal. Amphicribal means that is centrally, that is xylem is present in the center. So it is completely surrounded by the phloem. It is called as the amphicribal. Okay. So it is a type of concentric vascular bundle. Cribal means amphicribal. And so here xylem completely surrounds the, xylem is completely surrounded by phloem. Okay. So xylem lies at the center and it's surrounded by a ring of phloem. So example for this is meristils of ferns mainly, and small vascular rays of flowers and fruits and ovules. Next one is the ampivasal. So here it is also a type of concentric vascular bundle. Here phloem lies in the center and it is surrounded by the ring of xylem. Okay. So example for this is Dracaena stem and Rumex and Begonia. So here base, so here the vascular bundle element, that is xylem, completely surrounds the phloem. It is called as amphicribal. If the phloem completely surrounds the, phloem is surrounded by totally with xylem. Okay, it is called as ampivasal. So amphicribal means xylem is present in the center and is totally covered with the ring of phloem. Whereas ampivasal, here the phloem completely surrounded by the xylem. So this is about the, so these points are important. So mainly here that is based on the arrangement. So based on the presence of cambium, here the vascular bundles are classified into open and closed. So open vascular bundles means here that is cambium is present in between the xylem and phloem. So if the cambium is present, it mainly helps in the secondary growth. So generally it is seen in, it is the characteristic feature of the dicots. Okay. Closed type of vascular bundles, it is a characteristic feature of monocots, and here the cambium is absent. Next one is the based on the arrangement of these vascular bundle components. So here the radial, collateral. Okay, so first radial means here that they are arranged on the different radius. That is xylem and phloem. They are arranged separately. That is xylem alternates with the phloem and again xylem like that. So it is called as a radial vascular bundle. So generally this type of vascular bundles are seen in the roots. Next one is the conjoint vascular bundles, that is xylem and phloem are arranged together in the same radius. Okay, so this conjoint vascular bundle, generally these are seen in the stem and leaves. So again, it is based on this arrangement collateral, bicollateral and concentric. So conjoint collateral or conjoint bicollateral or conjoint concentric. So here first one is a conjoint collateral. Here it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So here the phloem which is located only outside of the xylem. Okay. So it is the common type. So xylem towards the interior and phloem towards the outside or exterior. So here it may be closed or it may be open. So if the cambium may be present or absent in collateral vascular bundle. If the collateral vascular bundle with the cambium, it is called as the open type. If the cambium is absent, it is called as the closed type. So bicollateral vascular bundles. So the bicollateral means that is on either side of the xylem, here the phloem is present. Okay. So that is here the phloem is present in two groups, whereas in concentric means here it is present in the ring. Okay, completely phloem ring. So it is a bicollateral, it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So phloem present in two groups. So one outside the xylem and other inside the xylem. So it is a characteristic of angiosperms. Mainly these bicollateral vascular bundles are seen in the cucurbitaceae members. So these bicollateral vascular bundles are always open type, that is cambium is present. Next one is the concentric vascular bundle. So it is a type of conjoint vascular bundle. So one vascular bundle element completely surrounds the phloem, completely surrounds the other. Okay. So either phloem which surrounds the xylem or xylem which surrounds the phloem. So based on this, amphicribal and amphibasal. So amphicribal means that is xylem is completely surrounded by this phloem. And amphibasal means phloem completely surrounded by the xylem. So example for this amphicribal is meristils of ferns, mainly fern, and small vascular traces of flowers, fruits and ovules. Amphibasal, so here it is a type of concentric vascular bundle. So here the phloem which lies in the center and which is surrounded by the ring of xylem. So example for this amphiβasal is Dracaena, stem, Brumex and Begonia. So this is about the types of vascular bundles. So another topic is, so these points are important. That's why I am mainly stressing this. Any doubts in this? Types of vascular bundles?
Okay, my dear friends, I have given a chance to interact our respected madam. If you have any doubt, please ask our respected madam. Otherwise, madam will going to start another topic. Madam, please proceed.
Okay, sir.